This problem is asking if y equals 2 cosine of 3x is a solution to this diffie-q. The way we'll find that out is we'll find the fourth derivative of y and substitute that in for the first term, and then next to 16 we'll multiply by 2 cosine of 3x because that's equal to y. And we'll see if our equation is true. And most of our work then is just finding the fourth derivative of y. Let's begin. Our first derivative is negative 6 sine of 3x. Our second derivative is negative 18 cosine of 3x. Third derivative is a positive 54 sine of 3x. And our fourth derivative is 162 cosine of 3x. Our authors might have been trying to trick you into saying that these are the same, 162, 162. However, they're not. 162 cosine of 3x minus 16 times 2, which is 32 cosine of 3x rather. This is not equal to 0, so the answer is no. We are not looking at a solution. Y is not a solution to the diffie-q.